Animating in Blender involves creating motion and bringing objects to life within a 3D scene. Here's a concise guide. Import objects. Open Blender and import the objects you want to animate. Timeline. Switch to the animation layout and locate the timeline at the bottom. Keyframes. Set keyframes to define the start and end positions of an object. Move the timeline to the desired frame, adjust object properties and press I to insert a keyframe. Animating. Move to a different frame, adjust the object again and insert another keyframe. Play animation. Press the play button to preview your animation. Camera animation. Animate camera movements for dynamic shots. Lighting and materials. Animate lighting and materials for visual effects. Rendering. Set up rendering settings for your animation. Export. Export your animation as a video or image sequence. Practice and patience. Mastering animation in Blender takes practice and patience. Experiment with different techniques and study tutorials.